Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can see someone's activity on the Facebook account. So basically Facebook doesn't provide this feature to see someone's likes, comments or activity because that would be violating of their privacy. But there are a few ways on how to do that, and I'm going to show in this video. So the first thing you can do is right here at the notifications bar. If you go there, you will see that there are that you receive notifications for people that comment on posts or add a new post on or whatever. So right here you can see if someone liked a post or commented on a post, or maybe if they added a new photo or whatever. One more thing you can do, if you go to someone's profile, for example. Okay, so I just choose a random profile right here, and if you scroll down you will see let's say this photo right here. If you hit this icon with the three dots right here, you can select this option, turn on notifications for this post. So if you do that, once someone comments on the post or likes the post or whatever, you will receive some notifications for that post, and you can very easily see the activity on that. So basically this is all you can do, because there is no option available from Facebook, as I told you before, but there are a few ways that you can check the activity of other persons on Facebook. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.